Well, guys, for this session, I'll show now how we can apply how we can apply a live load for our different parts, our different components on how we can apply a live load to determine the surface influence for the deck of our bridge. So to do it, you can go back here and we can go in define live loads. Here we can show how we can just make verify the surface influence. So for that we can just go here, not that, verify. For that one I can uh, I can go there, just make some checking. So I can come back for that way. I can go there. I can start 1, 2, 3, 4. To not make this the iteration very long. You can see here, you can see here, you can see here, you can see here. It's not, I can but put 12, not that 11, as an iteration is very important for me. So after to select those finite element surface mesh, which just verify the effect of the effect of surface influences for a bridge. So you see here for the pedestrian, I do 2. I can 2 for 20, maybe for 20. That is okay. So I have it. So to do that, view as surface or view as a structure. You can see here there is no analyze, but I can verify view is a finite element. It's not for a beam. For a beam, we could demand the surface line for bending moment, for the shear. So for our surface line, we can go to analyze. Yeah, we can check and be wary. It can take some times, but you can must be wary because the influence cases for deck node is 1, 2. It is started for 1 node to 200 nodes. It means it can take taking some times. You can see here they make the calculation of finite elements for the verification. Just might be wary, and I'll coming back. Just make some small stop to not make the video long and coming back. So after to do that, you see everything is okay here. We can see we have some view of surface. We can see here we can change the structure here, but we can view the surface and the loading pattern. There is no loading pattern, but we can verify surface here. Our surface we can verify directly here. You can see we have the effect of surface. You can see here. This is the influence line, surface influence. You can see here. You can go there. You can go there. You can see. You see. You see. And the value of the placement. You can see here the value of displacement of our surface. You can see here the effect for our bridge. You see, it's very important talking about. So I can go there before to make it to run a run optimization for our traffic. I can already verify it on there. It's the reason why it's very important to start it. So after to verify the surface influence on our surface influence or our bridge, you can see here our deck bridge. You can see the value, the minimum, and maximum value here in different way. You can see here, you can verify everything we want. You can see the effects, you can see the value. So what you can do after is to go to run optimization. This is for run optimization. As you can see, I did make compilation, but the run optimization will allow me the type of compilation I'll make. So as you can see here, for the persistence transition for the compilation, the group, when open the group of load, this is the compilation. I'll work with GR A1, GR A2. So for the accidental, I can take in account for the axle only. For the ELS, this is the ultimate load state, that is the limited state loads, but the ELS I can take in account for GR1 and GR2. For the accidental axle, so for this one, I can put that 2, and I can go for the fatigue model. Here, the model 1, 2, and 3. I don't taking in account of the crowd load. For the CLS characteristic is the 1, and the frequent I don't taking in account. You can see for here the current carriageway the same, and the local verification I didn't take in account of the crowd load. For me, is normal. And here you can see the element special vehicle. I didn't define any special vehicle for my case. So for the influence surfaces, you have it. We have all different phases from 1 to all that. So this one, after to do that, you can click OK. So as you can see here, I already make a run this compilation. But now I can't make analysis. I'll just click OK and go to here. There is nothing special here. But when I go to calculate load, and I see the compilation, I see the defined live load. I make again, I must go to verification. I can go to run again. I go to run again. Okay. So after to do that, you can see here we have this compilation. We have made this compilation here. You can see here we have all this result here. We have made that one. You can see all this compilation is there. For the surface influence, we can verify it. You can see here everything is okay here. You can go verify, go verify. You see the result of the displacement influence coefficient. This is the coefficient of this is the influence coefficient here, the value of the effect due to the effect of surface influence and displacement by the pace by when the vehicles is run on the road, is passing on the road. You can see the influence here. You can see it's very important talking about. After to do that, you can see you can verify and can go to a calculation. You can manage some. We have only a reiteration, but we can go to define live load. For our defined live load now, we can reanalyze this our element before to make a run optimization. For the next session, I'll show you how to make a optimization of the load. Thank you so much. See you the next session. For it will be the end of the session, the next session. Thank you so much, and bye.